Okay, welcome back to my channel. And in this question, it just asks us to factorize completely these three expressions. The first one is 5x squared minus 25xy. And the second one is 9xy squared plus 12x squared y. Let me just go straight into solving the equation. So the first thing you need to do, there's a factor. So the first thing you need to check, look at the two numbers here. Do they have anything in common? If they have anything in common, what is that thing? Okay, so normally what I always tell students to do is to say negative 25 divided by 5. Okay, because this is what they have in common, right? So, and this is going to give you what? It's going to give you negative 5. All right, so if they have this in common, so 5, they have 5, but here they don't have negative, but here we have negative. So because of that, we only write what they have in common. And the only thing they have in common is 5. So you write your 5. So that is the common factor. Okay? So you look at the variables there. You have x squared here. You have x and y. So you can see that this term has x, and this other one also have what? X. So they also have what? X in common. Apart from that, they don't have any other thing in common. So, but we only have one x. So these are the two things they have in common. So how do you now find their remainder? You just say, take the first term, x squared, which is x, 5 multiplied by x, then divide it by what? Their common factor. Okay? So 5 is going to cancel 5, s is going to cancel x. So what we have left is what? X. So you write the x here. Okay, so and that's it for this. So the next thing you do is you take negative 25 x and y. So this is what it simply means. So 25 is multiplying x, also multiplying y. So you also divide it by their common factor. Okay, so 5 divided by 5 is 5, and x divided by x is 1. So you now say negative 5 multiplied by y, so which is 5y. And this is how to factor this expression completely. Then let's check the same thing for the second question. The second question, I will not go into depth explanation of this, because use this method to also see how you can also factor this. When you check what is common between 9 and 12 is 3. It's 3. So you also check, they have x and x here, they are variables. They have x, and they also have what? Y and y for their variables. You also write y. So these are the things that are common. Okay. Someone might ask, how did I know that it's 9 and 12? Okay. So what you have to do, okay, which number can divide 9 without remainder and also divide 12 without remainder? Okay, you can say 9 divided by 1 is what? Is 9. Okay, 9 divided by 2, there will be remainder. So 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. So you go to the second one. Let's say 12 divided by 1 is what? Is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, you can see it's 3, 3. They can divide, 3 can divide both. So you have 3 here, you have 3 here. Okay, so 3 can divide 12 without remainder, and 3 can also divide 9 without remainder. So with this, the next thing you need to do is to say, of course, just like we did before, you put out your bracket. So you say 9x multiplied by y multiplied by y. That is what this y square simply means. You have 3 multiplied by x multiplied by y. So 3 divided by 9, remember we did it before, it's going to be 3. So this x will cancel this x, and y will cancel y. So what do we have left? 3y. So write 3y. Okay? So when you are done with this, the next thing you need to do is the second question, which is 12x multiplied by x multiplied by y. Okay? Then divide by 3 multiplied by y, x multiplied by y. Sorry? The same thing. 3 divided by 12 is 4, right? X will cancel out x, and y will cancel out y. Sorry. And y will cancel out y. So this will give us what? 4x. So you now said plus 4x. So, and that is how to factor this expression completely. So let's clean this. Then the next thing, I want you to try out this third question. And the third question says that we should also factorize this completely. So how do we do that? Of course, we know we have 2 here and we have 6 here. So their common will be 2. Their common factors is going to be 2 for 6 and 2. And we have A here, A, and we also have B. Okay? Just like we did before, just say 6AB over 2A, AB. So this is going to cancel this is going to cancel this, then this is going to cancel this. So here we have 3. Then for the next one, we have negative 2AB multiplied by B. So this is going to be 2AB. So this is B, sorry. So B is going to cancel B, A is going to cancel A, and 2 is going to cancel 2. So we are left with what? Negative B. And this is the solution or the answer to these monomials. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your colleagues in school. Thank you.